most landscape designers using computer-aided design software will separate out different zones and types of entities by using layers. If we click here, and this is gCADPlus, we go to the Layers Properties Manager, and you can see here there are a large number of layers in the drawing. Some layers are here, like title block and temp, which are greyed out. It means they are in fact empty. You have switches to turn layers on and off. You can lock them, change the colour, foreground, background, line type, line width, weight, and so on. And you can even make a layer a non-printing layer. But I digress. If, for the sake of argument, we come to perennial ground cover, this layer here, and I turn it off, then there's no reaction in the screen, and I'm in model space here. But if we go out of that zone, can you see all the species, the symbols representing different species disappear? So that, in fact, you can't manipulate things in the layer set in that way. So let's put it back on. That layer is now switched back on and they reappear. What we have done is to make a mini layer tool, which if you go to View and Mini Layer, click it, can you see that down here is still the layer set, and you can float it if you want. But we've tried to compress the layer stack into just those that you want to use. And so I can click in here, turn it off, and notice these disappeared immediately. So you get a much more interactive way of working with the layer set using the mini layer tool than you do using the more generalized Layers Properties Manager. When you are using the mini layer tool, you may notice that if we click on a symbol here, that's a symbol for a particular salvia species, a little bit of the preferences zone is taken up by that information, and we'll try to make sure that there's enough information here for extra things. You might just find that if you move this layer up so you get more real estate, if you like, for the mini layer tool, that you cover up important information. So it's just worth checking. There's a panicum species in there. So this is a design for the United States in Massachusets. So I hope that shows you what we believe is a pretty useful tool.